All right, guys, here we go with day 2 of our blueprints for this week. Tomorrow we will be reading the story called The Surprise Family. Our theme concept is that some friendships are extra special, and our strategy is to question. So we'll take a look at that in a moment. And our skill is to compare and contrast. So thinking about this theme concept that some friendships are extra special, do you have a pet that has a special friendship with you? If so, during our meeting on Friday, you can share your pet with the class. Or let's say you don't have a pet and you really wish that you could have one. Go ahead and draw a picture of that pet, and on Friday's meeting, you could draw a picture of the pet that you wish you could have. Because we all know that you can develop a special friendship with a pet that's different than a friendship with a human. All right, our strategy focus again is to question. So that means let's ask some questions to find out more. My question is, and I might have some questions for you on our meeting on Friday to see what I might want to find out more about your pet or the pet you wish to have. All right, here we go. We did our stretchers the other day, so we're going to be stretching out with some sounds. All right, listen to the sounds and you tell me the word. Here we go. Ow. It, oi, z, I, s, oi, ol. Good job. All right, we've looked at some new suffixes this week, right? So our suffix, let's try it. This is day 2, so it might be a little tricky, but we'll do it together. Here we go. Suffix, F-U-L. Sound, full. Meaning, full of. Good job. Suffix, you can say it with me, ly. Sound, ly, meaning in a way that is. Let's try it one more time. Ly at the end of the word means in a way that is. Suffix, y. Sound, e, meaning full of. So full, the suffix full and the suffix the y makes the e sound. Also, both mean full of. All right, suffix es, sound as, meaning more than one or somebody else. All right, so we could have with that suffix full, which means full of, right? We could have like the word helpful, where we've got the base word of help and the suffix of full. So if you are helpful, you are full of, that's right, help. So I could say Ashley is very helpful to her grandma in the kitchen. So that would mean she is full of help. All right, we've got Lee here. Gladly. So in gladly, that means in a way that is. So in a way that is glad. So I could say, for example, Penny gladly went outside when her mom offered her a break. So if she gladly went outside, that means she was definitely going outside in a way that was full of gladness or happiness. All right, having that suffix y that makes the e sound, we've got scratch e, scratch e. So that means full of scratch, right? Which is kind of a funny one to do. But I could say, for example, Bryson heard a noise that was very scratchy at the door. So if it was very scratchy, that means it was full of a scratch. So it really had a scratch on. You might be like, is that my pet trying to get in the room? And our last one is the ES, which is the es, which means more than one or somebody else. So I could have more than one kiss. So for example, I could say, Darren gave his mom 4 kisses after dinner and like a big thanks for a great dinner. Or I could be talking about somebody else. I could say, Marco kisses his baby brother, or not really baby brother, he's kind of a pretty big boy, but he kisses his brother to show him how much he loves him. All right, let's take a look at our words for today, of this week. My turn, enough. Your turn. Spell enough. My turn, together, your turn. All right, clap out and spell together. Make sure you're clapping. Here we go. My turn, watched, your turn. All right, let's get out those goggles again. Not goggles, we'll say binoculars. And you're watching for a plane to fly in the sky. So looking up high, now look back at the screen and pretend you're watching for that plane as you spell the letters. Spell watched. My turn, there, your turn. All right, let's go ahead and clap out and spell there. Spell there. My turn, kind, your turn. In a whisper voice, spell kind. My turn, mother, your turn. In a little mouse voice, spell mother. My turn, loved, your turn. All right, let's put that heart. This time, let's put the heart up above our head. And with every letter, we're going to swing that heart up and down and around. So make a big circle with your heart in your hands. Make a big circle as you spell each letter. Here we go. Get that heart up in the air. All right, when you spell the letter, swoop the heart down, up and around. Spell loved. Nice job. My turn, built, your turn. In a spooky voice, spell built. My turn, everywhere, your turn. Big word. Let's jump out this word. Ready? You can jump it or you can stomp it. I don't care. Go ahead and stand up. Either jump up and down or stomp out the word everywhere. Here we go. Spell everywhere. Nice job. My turn, taught, your turn. All right, this time we're going to snap on our fingers and spell the word taught. And if you can't snap, that's okay. Make your own little sound with your hands. Here we go. Spell taught. My turn, walk, your turn. All right, go ahead and stand up. Let's walk in place and spell the word walk. Here we go. Let's march it out and spell walk. And spell walk. Here we go. Good job. Last word, my turn, water, your turn. All right, put those raindrops up high in the sky. We're going to have the water fall down, down, down to the ground. Here we go. Spell water. Awesome. All right, letter sounds. Sound, 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 sound. Great job. All right, we're on day 2. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Good job. You should have said first. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Good job. Chick. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend. Good job. Sound. Could be d, t, or ed. Let's blend it together. We've got looked, looked. It made the t sound. Good job. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend. All right, that's our first syllable. sound. All right, where that Y is making that E sound, blend. Fluffy, word, fluffy. So we see that suffix with the Y at the end, so it means it's full of fluff. And oops, we clapped it out. Fluffy, 2 syllables. Last word, sound, sound, blend, sound, blend. All right, that's our first syllable, sound, sound, blend, sound, blend. All right, let's blend it all together. Oh, whoa, 3 syllables on this one. Holy moly. Ly makes the what? Lee. Let's blend all together. We have carefully. Word, carefully. So that means Lee means in a way that is. So this means that in a way that is careful. Careful is my base word and Lee is the suffix. Carefully. All right, we heard it 3 syllables. Carefully. Nice job, first graders. Way to go. You did it. Happy Tuesday. It's a short day, so be focused. Get your work done this morning, and then you can enjoy your afternoon and relax. Hopefully, you're going to have some more sunshine. All right, guys. Talk to you later.